Hi students, in previous video we have already learned about linear search in arrays and its procedure, and based on that we did a program. So study well, it is a very important question which is in specimen question paper semester 2 and it carries 10 marks from section B. So study well, and in this video we are going to cover what is binary search. So for linear search there is a disadvantage. If there are more number of elements, means it is very time consuming to search each element one by one, right? For example, if you want to enter 20 elements and you want to search an element, you have to check each and every element whether it matches your searching element. So it is very time consuming, so you can go for binary search. So to reduce time we use this binary search, and there is one rule, it should be in ascending or descending order. And you can divide the array into two halves and we can find the mid value, and according to the mid value you can decide whether the searching element is present in first half or second half. So this is an example. See, these elements are sorted in ascending order. There is a rule, right? And first index value is 0, last index value is 6. And I entered those numbers in memory location 17, 31, 49 up to 87. My searching element is 31. This is the question. So step 1 we have to find the mid value, first index plus last index divided by 2. That is 0 plus 6 by 2, you will get 3. So this is your mid value now. You found out your mid value. And in second step, you have to compare this mid-value element with your searching element. What is your searching element? 31. So 31 and 55, when you compare it, your searching element is less than your mid-value, means it may present in the first half. So you don't have to worry about the second half. So you can remove this second half. But after this, you have to find last index, last equal to mid minus 1. What is your mid here? 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So now your mid value is, last value is 2. So you can remove these elements, and now this is your new array. So this is your first index, this is your last index. So next step, you have to find the mid value again. How will you find your mid value? First index plus last index divided by 2. That means 0 plus 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. So this is your mid value. This is your mid value element. Then again you will check whether this mid value and your searching element is greater or smaller or equal. Yes, it is equal. So you will stop the searching. So when mid value matches with your searching element, you can stop searching and display search is completed and successful. So if the element is not present, you have to repeat all these steps till you find the searching element. But one advantage is there. If you want to enter 20 elements or 30 elements, you can divide the array into half. So you can bother only about any one of the half. So this is the concept of binary search. You can pause this video and write the notes and try it with many examples and practice it. So this is your program for binary search. I am not explaining this because you already know how to create an array, and from 0 to 10 and entering the numbers and storing it in that array, and entering the number to be searched, that also you stored. And this is the main logic part of the program. If you are not convenient with these variables, you can use this one. So what is the condition? First index always will be less than or equal to last index, right? Always zeroth index will be less than any other index. So till that you have to do this loop. First you have to find the mid value, first index plus last index divided by 2. And if number to be searched, if it is less than mid value, you can find the last equal to mid minus 1. So that you can bother about the first half. If number to be searched is greater, means you can go to the second half. That means mid plus 1. So whenever you are finding both the searching number and the mid value matches, you can come out of the loop and you can count k as 1. So that means you searched and found out the value. So break that statement. So if the k value is 1, you can print search successful and the number is present. Else the search is unsuccessful, number is not present. So maybe question will be like this. Array also maybe they will be given in the question, or else you have to write the program. They will just say enter a number by enter 10 numbers, and using binary search technique you have to find whether the number is present or not, and finally you have to display search successful or search unsuccessful. So if you know the steps that I have already explained before this program, you can write this logic part using first variable, last variable, mid variable. So all these according to the steps only. But if you are giving any variable like this, maybe you will be not convenient to write all the steps. And if you can write, I prefer always to be write like this so that you can understand easily. And try this example and write the steps, and finally you search. Here we are entering how many numbers? 10 numbers, and you have to search any number and do all the steps, practice this program and study the logic part also. So here I am, mid value, k value, and last index, first index, everything I declared it as already I initialized. Okay, and here the first index as 0 and last index is already initialized at as 9 because I am entering 10 numbers. That is why I initialized it into 9 first. So clarify your doubts in comment section.